What's going on, guys? I want to show an issue that I had with my Husqvarna 61 here. This kind of pertains to 61, but it also kind of pertains to all chainsaws as far as the assembly of the intake gaskets and where shit can go wrong. Basically, what happened to me, this saw was running erratic, and I tried all kinds of different adjustments and so forth, and what I found happened was I did a carburetor rebuild, and they gave me these kind of generic gaskets, and what happened was I put it on, wasn't really paying attention, and you see that overlap right there? See how there's that space between the impulse hole and where it comes out? Yeah, that right there will cause this thing to basically not run. So what happened was I had to go back to the original factory gasket, put that back on. Check that out. See how that's all covered now? That ran me for a loop. All right. And just one of those small things that can happen, something that can be easily overlooked. So I figured I'd make a video. I mean, hey, none of us are perfect. We all miss shit. So just something to watch out for. Thank you.